Hello, and in today's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to discuss a subject that's come up a few times, which is how to take a manual flight and convert it into a mission. And we're going to use two pieces of software to do this. The first one is called Airdata. If you're not already using Airdata, I would highly recommend it. They have various levels of plans available, and it allows you to automatically upload the logs from your flight. And with Dronelink, there's integration already in there. So if you have it set up correctly, Dronelink will automatically upload your logs to Airdata. And you can use Airdata to do a wide range of things, including checking the health of your batteries and so on. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use it to create a CSV file that we're going to pass into another piece of software. And that software will then convert into a file that is importable into Dronelink. So first of all, I picked this flight because, you know, I don't do a lot of manual flying, but this day I was filming for a golf event and they wanted footage. I was doing ground and aerial, but they wanted some aerial footage of golfers out on the course. So I flew around the course. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing is you need to get this into Airdata, and there's plenty of tutorials around about that in the description. But once it's in Airdata, you click on the particular mission that you're interested in, and down here underneath the map there's this thing that says download, and we're going to download a CSV file. So I'm going to click download CSV, and it will say wait, and there it is, it's downloaded. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to switch to another piece of software. I'll put the link to this in the description as well. It's this Airdata to Lychee converter. Well, obviously we're not running Lychee, but as you're probably aware, Dronelink has the ability to import Lychee files. So having downloaded my file, there's a few things. We go to this website, and there's a few options. Custom speed at waypoints, yes or no. This gives you the option to basically say, do you want to run everything at a consistent speed, or do you want it to, you know, sort of approximate the speeds you were flying at the time? So I'm going to say yes. Desired number of waypoints. This is one of those things where, you know, obviously the more waypoints you have, the closer it's going to represent your original flight. But since it's going to use curved turns, there's also an argument to say if you reduce the number of waypoints, you'll get a slightly smoother flight as well. So I'm going to leave that set at 50. Airdata CSV file upload, choose file to upload. So you just click on that. It's in my download, so I'm going to double click. Now I've got this, and it says generate waypoint mission. Click on that, and now it's basically done some analysis, put some stats up here for us, and there's this option that says download CSV file for Lychee. So I'm going to click on that, and it downloads a file called mission.csv. Okay, great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hop over into Dronelink, and I'm going to click on create. And one of the options under the advanced section of create is import. So I'm going to click on that. You'll see it says import Google Earth, Lychee, CSV, and so on. So click on import, click on mission.csv, and open. And there'll be a slight delay while it handles things. You'll get a prompt. And now here's the mission. And of course, then what would you do? You would click on here to do the mission preview. And having generated the mission preview, we can now play this as you would pretty much any mission. But given the quality of the maps that are in Dronelink, I think the best option here is for us to click on this button here and push this out into Google Earth. But this was it. But as you can see, the flight has been converted. It's got the gimbal angles. It's got the direction of the drone at the time of the flight, and it works pretty well. I'm pretty impressed with it. So if you ever need to convert a flight that you had, and you were like, hey, I really like that flight, I'd like to be able to repeat that, this is an easy way to do that. So I'm going to stop it there. I hope you found that useful. If you did, leave a comment, and I'll be back with another video very soon.